Good morning, people. Yeah, I said good morning. The reason I'm up this early, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, we're gonna go fucking scrap this because I gotta make room for my trike. Because we're going romping with Jomo and Paperweight Girl. Okay, let's go get rid of this shit. Well, I got room. I might as well pick that shit up too. There's two little steel ones. Grab it. Sold. No spy cam today. I'm charging it for the romping. Well, that wasn't so bad. Made enough to buy a case of beer for the crew and gas money for my trike. So let's go fucking load this shit up and let's go romping. Yep. Come on. Well,
fix my hair first.
Just gonna get room with the helmet anyways.
Well, you guys know these two people.
How's everybody?
What?
How's everybody?
Hello, people.
Oh. Anyway, we're trying to MacGyver something and go to the bush with the 2 quads and the 3-wheeler. And that's what we come up with so far.
Thank God he's got those 2 wraps. I hope he doesn't get mad at me for borrowing them.
We'll see what happens when we load it. Jomo the barefoot rider. Barefoot on the storm. We got the Sony Exploder here.
Did I spread the things on too wide or what?
The boat trailer fix up.
How much more is there?
Okay, the back's awkward because there's nothing to grab except for this little bar.
I can grab the rim of it.
Son of a bitch! That's good like that.
Oh, look at that! Perfect!
Fucking right. What's wrong with that?
I'll hold it here. I'll stand on the trailer. Strap it.
You'll run alongside of it. No, that fits perfect, buddy.
That fits.
That's not gonna work.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Hey?
That's not gonna work.
Yeah.
No.
Totally legal. What are you talking about? Barely made it.
Well, anyway, we fucking MacGyvered it.
I have a picture.
You're too late for you. How sexy is that sight? John's in his PJs and barefoot. He's ready to go romping. Lynn's in her shorts, barefoot. She's ready to go romping. The city's here.
Oh yeah, get the garbage truck.
Well, we made it to the bush.
Yay! Let's see what happens if I pull the pin. You gonna hurt me?
I don't know. No, it shouldn't go up. No.
Okay.
So you want to just lift it and we'll go from there? Hold on, I'll come help you. And
Oh, look at that!
Hang on.
That was one!
A couple of seconds too late.
The other one off.
Oh, you take that one off.
Look, you didn't see that?
Fuck. Cool.
That worked like a charm.
you crazy son of a bitch. Oh, I can't even describe what we're trying to do. Okay, we could carry that off, like just boom, boom. But no.
That's too much work.
We're going this way. I don't know.
It's gotta work.
I don't know. Let's just do it.
Start it up. Start your engines.
I'm not starting it.
Pull it up. Or roll it back. Okay, you straight out.
Are you steering?
No.
Okay, the stick.
The stick's in the boat.
Oh, got it. Oh no.
Didn't work out so good, did it? Perfect.
That's fuck off.
Perfect.
Got it.
The after shot. Like, just take it. Can't kill a Honda.
Beautiful video.
Okay.
Success.